Welcome to the brand new Gatefold cards. Now, if you like a card that is lacy, decorative, rather special, then these are going to be the ones for you. Now, we've got 3 different varieties in here. We have got the Splendor Decor Gatefold, which is that one there, as you can see. Beautiful detail on that one. We've then got the Inspired Elegance. And then we've got here the Bijou Balustrade. Rather posh name, isn't it? So what do they do? Okay, so basically you have got dies that look like this. Now they are one big die, so you definitely need your large A4 plates. You've then got a mat and layer for each one, and also a centre die here that's a beautiful framework. So when you cut those out, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the basic card blank. So one cut is going to give you your card blank. You've then got a left and a right hand panel that's going to go on the front. Okay, so let's quickly stick those on the front. So let's just get loads of glue on this situation. And let's stick those on the front. And this is the same for each of the design sets, okay? You get a left and a right hand that just fits beautifully on the card front. Now, I'm thinking these would make amazing invitations. They would make spectacular wedding invitations with so much ease. So that on there, or christenings. So you can see how that left and right hand panel just sits perfectly on the front of those. Okay, now I have cut some more out that's going to go on the inside, because let's face it, we want the inside to look just as nice as the outside. So let's just take the same die cut but left and right. So don't just cut one die, you know, you do have the other one as well, which is going to sit on that side, and then the other one is going to sit here. So now you've got in your collection the dies to go into the middle as well. Now, breaking those down instantly, you've got the most beautiful frame. The frame is gorgeous. It's so pretty. I've got a little scroll there that's come out. So let's stick that into the middle of here. Now you've got the dies in that collection to be able to break that down. You've got your Verso dies. So for instance, I could have, let me get my die. I could have an outside edge that actually mounts onto. So I could have a base underneath. I've then got the actual die that will cut the center out if I wanted to take the center out, so that could just be a frame in its own right. But if you cut that and then you use the detail die, it's going to cut you that beautiful panel there, and that is where we would write our verse, our sentiment, from, who, everything else. So that would sit into there. But if I wanted to take the center out of that one, I've also got the die that will take the center out of that one and make that one into a frame as well. So not only is this a 3-dimensional card creator, it also gives you the possibility of just using the frames entirely on their own, just with a little cheeky little bit of ribbon on that door there. You've got the most beautiful little cards, and the detailing on them is tremendous. You've also got little tabs inside the collection as well. So let me just show you some of the little, you've got these little tabs here as well. You've got the center inside that one as well. So whether you're putting a stamped image inside or not, it does make the most beautiful card.